Hey there, if you're an architect or a building design professional, this video is for you. Welcome firstly to Architect Funnels. My name is Brian Conway, and in these short videos I just share a tip, tactic or strategy or something to help you grow your practice. One other thing I want to talk about today is about lead generation. You know, obviously your business all starts with lead generation, and one of the challenges I see with architects in particular is you try and be all things to all people. We assume that if I promote the fact that I can do new build drawings or extensions or loft conversions or interior design or whatever your services may be, that if I just put all that out there, that people will stop me and buy one if that's what they need, that they will sort of self-select. The truth of the matter is that the psychology of buying, particularly today with all the volume of advertising there is out there across multitudes of different mediums as well, is that this all becomes noise. And to protect ourselves, the human brain, it's based at our DNA level, in its attempt to protect yourself, it just filters all that noise out. So you've got to cut through the noise, and the way to do that is through what I call the power of specificity. So this is about being very clear, and it's only in your marketing. So you can sell all these different services, but in your marketing, you want to get very clear on just one offering. So if you wanted to get clients for extensions, as an example, just picking kind of one thing, then you need to be very clear and specific on who you're targeting and also what they want and therefore what you offer. So when those three things are all in a line, you'll have significantly greater effectiveness. So for example, your advertising may say, have you outgrown your house and you need to extend? If so, call visit whatever your call to action might be. We are a specialist in extensions and the conversion of properties from 3 to 4 bedroom, 4 to 5, whatever, I don't know, whatever the extension might be. But just, the point I'm making is that you're focusing on the proposition, which is extensions. If I am thinking about extending my home, that advert will cut through more of the noise rather than just generic architectural advertising, the services. So think about that. Think about the specificity. Now that means you can have multiple campaigns because you may have another advert that runs and sort of, are you thinking of converting your loft? I guess that's a type of extension, but again, it's a very specific type of extension. Or do you have a plot of land that you're looking to get planning consent on? Well, we are a specialist in planning consent. Why don't you call us now or fill in this form or send us your details and we'll give you a free valuation of what your land might be, or download our free guide, 15 steps to get planning consent and save money and whatever. I don't know. If you get the idea, it's very specific to that thing, and that will cut through the noise and make your advertising significantly more effective. Okay, so think about that. Look at what you do. Oh, and key to this actually, when you run that ad, make sure you drive the traffic to a page on your website that is specific to that service. Don't just drive them to your homepage. Again, this is a big problem. I see a lot of people driving traffic to their homepage. Maybe we'll do a separate video on that one. But be specific in your lead generation. Okay, see you soon. My name's Brian Conway. This is Architect Funnels. See you soon. Bye.